Let's learn basic of table in Excel. Let's work with this example. Here first, I will use a shortcut. Just click on any cell of the data, press Ctrl+T. It's showing the data range, which is correct. It's showing my table has headers, which is correct, and ticked. Then I can just click on OK. You can see it has created a tabular format for my data. Another way to see the data in a tabular format, just click on the first cell and drag to select the entire data. Click on Insert, click on Table. It's showing the data range, which is correct. It's showing my table has headers, which is correct and ticked. Then I can just click on OK. You can see it has created a tabular format for my data. I have already discussed about these filter buttons in my previous video. Now if I click and drag this very bottom right corner towards down, it will add rows, and if towards right, it will add columns. Now Ctrl+Z to undo or delete previous action. If we simply type and value in this cell and press Enter, it's extending the table for the value also. If you click on your table, it's showing Table Design tab at the top. Here you can see different table style. You can choose a different style for your table just by clicking on the style. Now we can do some basic calculations for table. For example, in this table, if I select a cell under total header, now if you press Alt+=, it's showing the formula to add previous 3 numbers. If you want that, just press Enter. You can see it has automatically calculated the totals in all rows for previous 3 numbers. Now another simple way of calculation is by using total row option. Let's do it here. Click on any cell of the last column having the numbers, click on Table Design, click on Total Row. You can see it created this cell showing the total of all the numbers. Now by clicking on this button, you can see the other option available here to do other calculation. For example, if I want the average, I can simply click on Average and it's showing the average of the numbers now. You may hide or unhide this table row by pressing Ctrl+Shift+T.